expressing how I feel gets you angry, which I'm not allowed to do that anymore.
I've never said that you expressing yourself gets you.
Yes, like, it's obvious. It does.
What do you mean?
It's obvious. It does. So, no wahala.
You're expressing yourself, but I don't understand what you're expressing. Like
you don't understand. That means I'm not okay. If you don't understand, that means I'm mad.
Who said that?
That means I'm just doing. I'm saying rubbish. Or I'm not making sense.
I need you to make more sense.
Then I don't know how to make more sense. I already said how I feel, and that is it. If you don't understand, that means I'm not okay. Then I'm crazy. Then leave it that way.
This particular situation. See, if I'm to see, okay, if I can pick a fault out of anything, I would. But in this particular situation, I'm not seeing anything there as to what is making you upset. We're at a party. In this house, not even like it's on the outside, in this house. You know very well how I take these things. I'm with you practically throughout the day. And at the party where I'm catching a vibe, you know how I like to catch the vibe, and you know how I like to enjoy the parties. You do the same thing as well. So it's not like, 247, we're with each other. Nothing changes. Do you understand? Like, nothing changes. And we're here. I'm with you. We separate. Because at the end of the day, we both have our individual lives. We both came here on two different things. We both came here as individual people. We didn't come together.
You don't need to remind me that.
I'm reminding you because you're acting like we came here together.
Oh, sorry. That's...
Chill,
it's okay. No,
chill.
It's okay. It's okay.
Chill. We haven't finished talking.
No, it's okay.
Chill.
Chill. It's okay, Sooj. It's okay.
Chill.
Please. It's okay.
Chill. Sit down. Chill.
Oh, I say
Sit
don't
down.
do. We don't do. I beg.
Chill.
No.
Sit down.
Enough
Sit
of
down.
the discussion now.
Stop this. Stop. Sit down.
Enough,
Sit down. Because that's what you're making it seem like.
It's okay.
That's what you're making it seem like.
Sooj, it's okay.
That is what you're making it seem like.
It's okay. I'm sorry. We came here on a different thing, or we are here. Like, anyhow you put the statement is fine. I'm okay. I'm sorry. I will never interfere in anything about you again. Just let me be.
What's making you upset? Okay, prior to now, what's making you upset?
Nothing.
This thing can't keep happening. The party is a party. You can't be doing this thing. It's been happening one too many times. That's why I was uncomfortable. Because I don't understand like what's going on. Because at the end of the day, it's still you and only you. You know that. How much more reassurance you want? How much more reassurance you want? How many more meals do I have to make? How many more meals do I have to make?
I'm okay. I'm fine.